看不到他了啦。
It seems to me that they are less concentrated on the dramatic reality.
Q1. 为什么脸那么黑啊？
可以停了。停了。
If they came, present their report, then we all went inside and had like the sort of amazing. Clips from one of your protesters. This is from one of your this is when you come across a group of climate change deniers. Let's take a listen to this. Well, I mean, without believing.
Indicated a very severe or potentially severe mental distress or melancholia about being absent from your home and a strong desire to return home. And so, at the dining room table in New Lambton Heights in Newcastle, my wife and I sat down and decided to create a new word that more accurately described this condition about the homesickness that you have when you're still at home. People can have a sense of solace or be given solace by another. Unfortunately, the concept of solastalgia is going to become more widely applicable, particularly under the pressure of global climate change and the whole issue of global warming. But once we can name something, once we...
Kai Hassel-Reese and Doug Holmes. I'm Sue Kinley. Have a wonderful week, and I'll talk with you in 7 days.
This is CBC Radio 1, 88.